Hi, what's the most annoying thing in animal company? Be honest in the comments.
Hi guys, I was digging in my grandpa's ashes and I just found this letter. Let's see what's inside. Let's see what we got.
Hey Jimmy, let's go see a show. Let's go see a show.
Alright.
Alright, Jimmy, sit down.
Kurt. Okay. Yes, I am Kurt. I'm the best music. Nirvana and Nirvana.
Kurt, I'm done with you.
Yeah. No! Dude, I'm done! I'm done!
Okay, Kurt.
Is this a part of the show?
Who's ready for admin abuse? Let's get these disco parties started. Hit it. Alright, here's some research points for you. For you. And for you.
Oh my gosh, research points! Oh, research point. Oh, another one.
Time for gold. Alright, gold for you. Gold for you. Gold for you.
Going to nuts! Golden nuts.
A bomb for you.
Dude, bombs? What do you mean bombs?
I'm gonna beat you. Yeah, that's why I'm stronger than you. That's why I'm strong. What the? Bobby! Bobby, no, you don't have to do this, please! Please! No!
Jacob! Cook it with Jacob! Cook it with Jacob!
Okay, guys, we're gonna go to Jacob's hibachi place. Come on.
Yeah!
Okay.
Let's go! Alright.
Guys,
you
everyone
guys
sit
want?
down, please. Sit
Line
down.
up.
Sit
I
down.
want rocket pancakes! Be respectful and sit down! Jacob, me. What do you want? What do you want? Rocket pancakes. Your feet. What do you want? Your feet. What do you want? Fork noodles. What do you want?
Rocket pancakes.
What do you want? I want baby. I want boo-boo. Yeah, what do you want?
To kill you, cause you're so annoying.
You're gay. Pick you, I'll kill you all of you.
Jimmy, we need to go on. We're going to go on an adventure, okay? And we need Jack to make a big flashlight because we're gonna go deep into the depths. Jack.
I'm coming.
Hey Jack, can you have a flashlight on you? Yeah, you do. Can you turn that big flashlight? Can you turn that little flashlight into a big flashlight, please?
Oh yeah, just give me a second. Oh, whoops.
All right. Okay, yeah, he's done. All right.
Huh? Wait, where are you guys?
Over here. Jimmy.
Huh? Oh.
All right, Jack, show us how does it work? How bright is it?
Well, yeah, you went to visit. So it's like 1,000 lumens. So like, you just gotta go like this. Man, come back!
Happy birthday, Johnson. It's your birthday again. I got you presents. So first off, I got you this camera. You can take pictures with this. Picture. It's wonderful. Okay. And also, I got yourself flip-flops. And I also got you this delicious... Ow! You broke your balloon! I also got you this delicious pie. And some baked beans. Alright, so... The present that you've been waiting for. You've been wanting this for so long. Chicken! Chicken! Okay, don't eat too much. Just like... We could eat for 2 years with it. Stop. Oh my god, stop! I'll just let you do your thing. Oh, I wonder how Johnson's doing. Yo, what? What's you doing to Johnson?
Hey, Johnson.
You're a turkey!
Go.
Yeah, let's go, doggy. Let's go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey! Can I pet that dog? Yeah, you can. Hey, you. Come on. Come on.
Bro, where's my dog, bro? Where is it?
Hey. I have your dog.
Oh, hi, man. Let's go.
I'm gonna go eat my salmon.
Wait,
Chicken
what?
thighs, mustard,
What?
mango. Chicken thighs, mustard, mango.
Bro, you're not my dog.
Mango.
Who are you, bro?
I gotta shake,
Yeah, who are you?
Shake that booty.
What the hell is that sound? What the?
Honey.
What the hell is this?
Go away.
Is that honey?
Yeah, my honey.
Can I have some?
No, bro, go away. No. Ow!
What's that sound? Yo!
I've got 3 chances. Yo, hello, little dude. Here's your first one. Give me something good. Give me something good. That was weird. Well, I got 2 more chances. Come on. Come on! Give me something good. Come on, sorry. Oh, a cluster grenade. Thank you, bro. Here's another one. See what I get this time. Come on, man. Cook me up something good, bro. Come on, man, please. I need, like, maybe, like, something... Oh, dynamite! Yes, that's pretty good. Alright, bro, my last ticket. Let's see if I get something good, bro. Come on, man. Get me something good. I've got something for you, pal. Where's my item? But like, what role are you?
I'm an innocent.
Oh, I'm a sheriff.
Dang, that's nice. If you want, I can help you try and find the murderer.
Yeah.
That's him. That's who I think's the murderer.
Alright.
Yo, I did good. It's for the best. Don't even think about it. Get back here. Try. Kill Pink. What? No.
Haha, nah, boo boo. I killed you. Haha, haha, nah,
That's
boo
what you
boo.
deserve.
I killed you. Haha.
Hey, in case nobody's asked you this today, are you okay? Are you really fine? I mean, you know it's okay to feel.
Man, this is the last tree in the forest. Hope the Lorax doesn't show up.
You cut the last tree down, man. This was the last tree, and all the animals left. You know what? I think it's time for me to leave too. But I don't know.
I'm Michael Jackson. I'm Michael Jackson. I'm the real Michael Jackson. I'm the real Michael Jackson. Prove it. You're going down.
Yo, bro, I love your shoes.
Thank you, love you too. Fuck! Damn it, shit! Fuck, I messed it up! Fuck! Funny moments part 2!
I screamed for you.
No, I have some.
I screamed for you.
Did my game just crash? You gotta be kidding me.
Billy's tweaking, bro. Billy's tweaking. Red one. Fire! I just witnessed.
Oh my god.
What the? Yo. How did I die and he didn't? Oh.
He's about to jump. Don't jump.
He's got nothing to live for. Jump. He's got nothing to live for. Jump.
Oh, you have nothing to live for.
Yo, user.
What have I bought the crash out? What am I dynamite?
Uh-oh. Cam.
Bro!
Look at that.
Benny's my winning.
Come here. Oh, Billy is not eating your willy, bro. What?
User.
Ooh. What?
The strap broke off of my controller. I threw that fucking Mach 10. I think I broke it.
Yo, I think Billy broke his controller. No, turn it over. Oh my god.
Dab me up. Yo, user, you dab me up. You dab me up. You dab me up, user. You dab me up.
Hey, that's not nice. I got a plunger. Oh crap. I'm poking.
I'm actually looking for my controller.
Alright, that's it. Time to die.
But he's the one who exploded us in the first place.
Oh, really?
My finger slipped.
Oh, really?
I don't know what to say.
Oh, really?
I just shot.
Oh, really?
How is him pooping his pants have anything to do with me?
Oh, really?
Well, you just.
Oh, really? Crap, bro, I actually dropped my item. I gotta get.
Ah, I stole your item here!
Yeah, you feel about that now? You steal my stuff? You're dead now.
I want the drugs! Where's the drugs?
Hey, Timmy.
Oh, yeah?
Your shoes are tied.
Really? Hey, grenade! Oh! Let's just both die. This has been a really nice cut.
Oh my god, I killed him. I had to. Alright, I'm dead. My dog's so stupid, bro. He can fall for anything.
Whoa.
Like, you throw this bone, go fetch.
Alright, bro, you ready to play some class, bro? I'm about to cook you, bro.
Yeah.
Alright, Pekka, I choose you. Go. That's a lot of elixir, bro.
Wait, bro, I can't play any units. I'm in the car. I don't have any internet.
You have no internet? Yeah, bro, it's rap, bro. It's just easy trophies at this point. Yeah, look at your tower, bro. Like you're cooked. Wait, what's going on? What?
Listen, I'm gonna drop my cheese. You drop your stick, okay? Okay, in 3, 2, 1.
Get scared. No.
Yeah, you promised me you'll never escape again.
Hey, you're not gonna kick me, right?
No. This is a good trade, bro. Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Alright, can you show me your watch? Like, can you come over here and show me
yeah.
your watch? Bro, selling free ghost.
Wait, free ghost?
Yeah, go for it.
Can I do anything with it?
Yeah, anything you would desire.
Yo, what is this bag? There's just a bag here. Hold on. Yo, what? What? Yo, is that Mimic? Yeah. Yo, it's Coda. Oh, yeah!
Are you ready? Alright. We're gonna drop in 3, 2, 1.
Yay!
Alright, and guess what?
What?
Thank
No!
you.
Oh no! Give it back, please!
Thank you.
Please, no!
Alright, you ready? Oh, I'm not gonna scam. Alright, go. Alright, and thank you. Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? And scammer gets.
We're gonna trade. Drop it in 3, 2, 1.
Scammer get scammed. Scammer get scammed. Scammer get. What the heck? What is this place? What I remember you. What? Ah! What? Please. It's. Please. No, I didn't do anything. Okay. I didn't do anything. Go you first. Please.
You give me skin.
So today we're going to be trolling and scaring kids in the sewing machine. I'm going to show you guys how to get into the machine in a minute.
Yeah, you're my friend. You're my friend. I'm your friend. One of the lighter friends. Yo. No one was there. You heard that, right? You heard that. That's not me.
Alright, Jacob, are you ready? Hop on, Jacob.
Yeah. Okay. Where am I going?
You're going to your demise.
Okay.
Alright, any last words?
Wait, are you filming?
Yeah.
Like and subscribe!
Woo! Jacob?
Oh my god.
Which way?
I thought he was stuck. What the fuck? Is that a mimic? Yo, why the fuck the mimic?
That is a mimic.
See, he just I thought it was him! What the fuck? Guys, I got this.
You're cooked.
I was just trying to pick up a freaking.
Hey, Darth, you should get in the pool. It's like super warm.
You sure?
Yes, bro. I've already tested it.
Alright.
It's so nice.
Oh shoot, yeah, this is actually really cool. I think I just peed in the water.
Alright, Grandpa, this is a VR. This is what people use these days. Go try it on.
Alright, grandson.
Grandpa, this game's called Animal Company.
What does he have in his hand?
Grandpa, take it off! Take it off!
Pikachu? I have a tiny Pikachu. I have a tiny Pikachu. I'll trade it. I need to look through it. Get what I need you to run through it.
How to take care of whatever this thing is. So step 1, feed it. Here, take it.
Take it.
Good job. Step 2, take it for walks. Good job. Step 3, when it gets to a certain age, which is 20 or 3 minutes, you can choose whichever, you can explode it with an RPG.
What the hell, man? You think just because you're popular, you can just bump into people? I bet. Rattle them up, boys. Boys, let's teach this little frog a lesson of what happens when he touches me.
Put him on the mine. Put him on the mine.
Get on the mine.
You have a 1 in 7 chance of living right now. Well, all these bags have nukes in them, except for one. One has the teleport grenade. You may choose.
I'm standing
Wisely.
now. Pokemon, I choose you.
Why couldn't you hear the pterodactyl use the bathroom? Because the P was silent. Where do polar bears
Okay,
keep
what?
their money?
Where?
The snowbank. Hey, purple. Why'd the bike fall over? Why'd the bike fall over?
Why?
Because it was too tired.
And screw this money!
Who's getting hit up next?
Don't even think about it.
Oh yes, you are getting up. Oh shit! Oh shit! Ah! Miss dumbass.
Hey, what can I
Can I
get
get
for
a
you?
1,000 pizzas?
1,000 pizzas. Why?
Yeah, it's for the homeless.
Well, if it's for the homeless, I don't see why not. Give me 5 minutes.
Alright. I ain't giving this to the homeless. Forget the homeless.
All right, children. I got a story. One night, there was a monster. He really liked eating crabs, like you guys. There's rumors that he is in this forest, and he doesn't spare any. Yeah. What are you pointing at? Hey, don't run! Don't stop! Dude! You're gonna get yourself killed! Yo, look out!
Yo, what do you guys want?
Give us the money!
Bro, I'm not giving you no money, bro. Why would I give you money, bro?
Okay, so she got. Oh, I think I should spawn my boom boominator right now. I love my boom boominator. Hey, why you still my boom boominator? I'm just gonna. Hey! I wanted to be Georgia guy.
Get guns and help me. Get guns and help me. Get guns and help me now, please. Yeah, you hear me? Sir, do you hear me? Get guns and help me. You said you wanted to help me do this.
Let's say, can you have that? What?
Help me get guns. Well, you said you wanted to help me, though. I'm gonna end up losing this if you don't hurry your ass up. Hurry your ass up, bro. On ice.
Bro, help me.
Is it him?
I'm right here. That's crazy.
I'll chuck him in some
I'm a 6, 7.
Ah, yo! Nah, you're getting reported for that. Oh my god, he dropped his ski. He dropped it. I'm going for it. In for the kill, boy. Yeah! Yes, bro. Thank you so much, Orange. W Orange, guys. Shout out Orange.
It's a modern.
What's your name, bro? What's your name? Guys, shout out Volking W. Mason, look what I found in Mommy's drawer. It's I don't even know what it is, but like, it has this cool button. I don't know what it does. Mason? And you're done. I'm sorry that you're in a robot, Mason, but this was the best I could do to bring you back.
Why would you do this? I want my body back.
It's the only thing I could do, bro. I'm sorry. Stop. Stop. Stop.
1, 2, 3. Scammer get scammed. Scammer get scammed. Scammer get scammed. Oh my gosh, you're so bad. Oh my.
Yep, you're bound, say long for
No! No, we didn't! No!
Let's go.
Hey, bro. Let's go. Yeah, I was thinking the same thing. You say it.
Let's see Timmy in 4K. Let's get him.
Yes. Let's go. Catch him in 4K. Yeah, let's go. Yeah. Come on. There's somewhere over here. Come on. Hey! What are you doing? What are you doing? Why I caught you in 4K?
Yo, I want to test my bros. Gay. Yo, hey bro. I love you. I'm gay. No, it wasn't gay. I love you. Yo, it was a fucking test, but you didn't pass.
Fatty.
RPG like this. Give it back. You got me a chaos back?
Yo.
I'm dropping it.
It's mine. It's mine.
That thing is massive.
Thank you, Bert. I need the bag, and I'll take a snail. What was that, bro?
I'm just saying.
Cookie?
Jacob, it was just a joke. I'm not gonna give you any cookies, you diabeto.
Cookie!
You have diabetes. I'm not giving it to you.
Let's see how it is.
Hey, Daddy. Look at my new friend.
Oh.
What's up, buddy? Hello.
Money talks. Money talks. Yeah. Money talks.
Oh yeah, Jacob.
Yeah.
All right, Jacob. I'm gonna show you a cool singing trick I found.
Alright.
Raise your ya ya ya. Even the rocket launcher agrees on it.
Alright, my turn, Dad. Raise your ya kaboom!
What are you doing?
Making a rocket for Christmas so we can give it to the kids.
Wait, Jacob, let me hold it for you.
Like Pete Diddy.
Hi, Jacob.
Hey, Dad. What's that ski now?
Jacob, sing your ABCs.
A-C-G-E-F-E-C-H.
Pause.
Yep.
Why'd you skip B?
P stands for BOOM!
Hi, Jacob.
Hi, Dad.
What you doing?
It's just a leap of faith, Jacob.
Jacob, you are not Miles Morales. You don't have spidey senses. Don't do it.
What up, danger? The kid's coming now! There he is. I'm the main character. My queen! My queen! Hey, what is my spray cranberry?
Hold on. This is a really scary movie. You guys sure you guys want to watch this?
Yeah. You might be on narcotics.
What are you guys? Sir?
Beef?
Stupid, did you really say?
Okay, so I was gonna say, new year, new dad.
Yeah, I ain't dealing with that.
Why did you shoot my guys up?
But you're next.
I'm Ted, but my new year resolution to stop spending $200 exactly at Costco. Yeah, we're leaving him in 2023.
Okay, big next.
My new year's resolution is to get all the baddies and shotties. I'm touching her!
You missed again.
Hear me out. Watch this. Taekwondo Thornton.
Guys,
You
everyone sit
watch.
down, please.
Line up. I want rocket pancake! Respect bullets! Sit down! I want boo-boo! Dad, what do you want?
To kill you, because you're so annoying.
Rocket pancake! Pick you up!
One.
Haha, you just got tricked. Hey, wait. Scammer get scammed. Wait,
You got
no,
scammed.
we're the scammer busters. No, my backpack, give me back.
Huh. You got scammed. You got scammed. You got scammed. You got scammed. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. The tiny backpack. You want the tiny backpack? I do a boo.
Have a tiny Pikachu? I have a tiny Pikachu. I'll trade it. I'll trade it. I'll trade it. I need to look through it. Okay, wait. I need you to run.
Well, no! You're fucking done! No, I'm not!
But keep crying, little Timmy.
You know what I'm doing?
Like, imagine crying in a virtual game couldn't be me.
Kill him.
Oh, hey.
Look what I can do.
Okay. Be careful, chicken nugget. Make sure you don't fall, okay?
I'm not gonna fall.
Chicken nugget, no!
I gave you the company coins! Get him!
Okay, here, take it. Here. Oh! Oh, shoot. Oh no! Bro!
I'm gonna kill you.
No!
Yup, I'm gonna kill you. Yeah, I just killed him. That's what he gets.
What? Why you kill him? He did literally go! Why you kill him? Why you kill him?
Bro, what do you mean? It's not that serious.
Why you do that?
What sound does a revolver make?
Alright, thank you.
Make the sound of the lance.
The landmines?
No, the lance.
No, the lance. The big long thing.
What?
I can use that, thank you. Make the sound of an RPG. Alright, thank you. Make the buying sound effect.
T-Rex. Oh my gosh, I've never seen this in real life. Wait, I think he has a question.
Favorite dinosaur. My favorite
Yeah, I
dinosaur.
really like T-Rexes too. Wait, but I got a question. Is he supposed to be like walking out like this?
I don't
Is this
know.
safe? Is it safe?
I'm about to go fishing. This is my favorite spot. What the? Excuse me, sir. Do you think you could leave? This is my fishing hole. I like to fish here.
Do you have any bread?
Why do I need bread?
Well, you need for the ducks.
The ducks?
Yeah.
What if I don't have any bread?
You better run.
Better run. Whatever. It's probably crazy.
You don't have any bread?
No.
You don't have any bread?
I don't have any bread.
No bread! No!
Alright, I'm gonna get a new pet. Which one should I buy? Yo, I want this one. Come back here. Come on. Food. No, not your food. Come on. Food. No, we. Bring food. Come on. No, you're not bringing your food. That's disgusting. It's baked beans. Come on. No. No, you're not bringing that. You're not
Yo, bro, you ready to trade?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You promise you won't scam?
Promise.
Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Scammer get scammed!
Bro, are you
Scammer
serious?
get scammed!
Are you actually serious?
Yeah, cry about it, kid. Cry about it. What are you gonna do?
Ghost for sale.
Please.
Ghost for sale.
No, please, no.
Wait, can I buy one?
Sure. Wanna buy one?
And I can do anything with him?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah. I'll take him.
Pleasure doing business with you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, sir, come up. You're up next. Come here. Okay, stop. How's your day going, bro? Okay, you're clear. Go on through. Okay, come here, sir. Okay, stop. Thank you. Arrow. Beep. Sir, do you have something on you? No. Can you do a circle real quick? Can you turn around, sir? I forgot about that.
This is a really big one, by the way, okay? I'm feeling generous today.
Oh, my green pen! I like big one! Yes! Got the big one! No! Why are you scamming me? Wait. Yo! What are you doing? Bro! Scared of death!
Yo, why do you shake your head when you run?
No, I'm doing your mom.
Do it real quick.
Wait. What the
One large Dr. Pepper, please. Coming right up. There you go. Thank you.
Dr. Pepper, baby, is good and nice. Dr. Pepper, baby, is good and nice. Dr. Pepper, baby, is good and
Cheers!
good and nice.
Happy birthday, Johnson, my favorite frog. Okay, I got you some presents. I got you this chocolate bar.
We'll save it for later.
And I got a lot of turkey for you. Happy birthday, my favorite frog. Now the best. Johnson, you've been wanting this for years.
Yes.
And I'm dead!
And I'm dead!
Where are you going? Well, I'm gonna just let him do his thing. Wait a minute. Johnson! I haven't seen him for 2 days! I have my tracker. What is he doing in there? Johnson? What the fuck?! You naughty!
I'm gonna kill you! I'm gonna kill you! Ah! Yeah! What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do, huh?
Oh, yeah? Not without the power of love!
Yeah, what do you want?
This is my lake.
What do you mean this is your lake? This is a frozen lake.
No, I own this lake.
You own a frozen lake? Crocodiles can't swim in a frozen lake.
Not on my lake.
This is not your lake.
Hey, what's up, dweeb? Yeah, go find me, dweeb. Yeah, fuck your ass, dumbass hoe.
I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you.
No!
Yup, I'm gonna kill you. Yeah, I just killed him. That's what he gets.
What? Why you kill him? He's dead! Don't let me go! Why you kill him? Why you kill him?
Bro, what do you mean? It's not that serious!
Why you do that? Why you do that?
Bro, it's just a game!
Are you?
I'm 7. I'm 7.
Did you use this to kill anyone?
I killed my dad with that. He killed my mom, though. He killed my mom.
It doesn't matter.
He killed my.
Get him, boys.
No, he killed my mom.
You're coming
He
close.
killed my mom. Stop! 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 You'll pay for this. One day you'll pay for this. You'll
No.
pay.
Was that like an ultimate dimension? Did that actually happen to you? Oh, wait, murder base, please don't. You don't have to do this. No.
Nowadays, I've come for you. Now it's your turn. Just like him. Ow! I'm sorry.
Alrighty, video ideas. Give me your idea.
Scammer gets scammed.
Do you know how many times that's been done? Next one.
Oh shit! You bunch.
Get out, bro. Next one.
You doing a mukbang.
Let me think about it. Next.
Me the goat dying.
Alright, final one. You better have
your video idea.
Oh, I don't have one.
What happened? Murder base, why are you like this?
Wife, son, come here.
Oh no, sweetie, Dad's home again. He's gonna beat us.
I don't want him to beat us. He always beats us. Dad?
I said come here.
Did you have a good day? Did you have a good...
Listen to me.
Did you have a good
No!
day? Did you...
I lost my job.
Oh no! No! Wait!
It's all your fault. It's all of your fault.
Mom! I'll save you! I'll save you, Mom! Oh, don't hit my mom like that!
How dare you!
Don't ever hurt my mom like that! Mom!
I don't know if I'm gonna make it.
Mom! Mom!
Hey kid, what happened here?
What?
We got a noise complaint.
No, my dad came home drunk and he killed my mom, so I had to kill him.
We're gonna have to take you to the
No,
station.
I had to kill him. It wasn't me.
You're coming with
It
us.
wasn't me. Stop.
Put him in the car.
Stop. No, stop. It wasn't me. I didn't kill my mom. Stop. I just want to go back home. I want to go back home. I just want to go back home.
Yeah.
I just want to go
Hey,
back.
quiet down back there.
I want to go back home. It wasn't me. It wasn't me.